All right, guys, quick little update with where we're at. So I did end up grinding the bed a little bit more just to kind of scuff the edges to be able to pick up the paint a bit easier. I didn't grind all the way. I am pretty much done with this bed. One of the things I did as well is we've tackled the JB weld. So I did make a user error by mashing too much at once, and it pretty much hardened up pretty quickly. So I had to get another pack of stick because it just hardened up like crazy. So something to keep in mind, you got to use and act quickly. But I did get everything covered up, all the holes. That was a big area right there that had a bunch of holes. I pushed it through, pretty much sealed everything except the original holes for the lights that I'm gonna add on, or the reflectors. This is the area that had a lot of little holes. So next thing I'm gonna do is do a final grind so I can get everything nice and flat. And then I'm gonna give it a quick final wash, and then I'm gonna start spray painting it so that I can stop any of the rust from happening. These are leftover water spots that is already showing some rust, so I'm gonna clean it up again, and then let's get that layer of rust protection on there. Guys, I've got everything taped down now as far as the bolts so that I don't spray on them. Have everything cleaned off, everything grinded as much as I can. And I was debating first to start with the hubs, but I realized since this is a covered or semi-enclosed trailer, it's been really difficult to keep the dust away from this. So since it's all clean and I already power washed this, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the bedding first. So I'm gonna put a first coat or two today, and then I'm gonna slowly work on to the outside, but inside first. So let's get started. All right, quick first layer. Just the inside and the back. I'm gonna call it out for today and continue tomorrow. All right, guys, go ahead and check it out. Kind of wish I flattened that area out a little bit more, but you know, it's all right. I'm not gonna fix every body damage here. Now you do see the little holes from the JB weld. I am hoping that once I put the Raptor liner, those blemishes are going to disappear. The bed liner itself, I mean, it has come a long way from when I just started. Here are the hubs. It looks darker than in the video. In the video, it does pick up a lot of the shading here, so. And I just had enough spray, so I just did the tongue anyways, just for the time being, so it didn't stick out like a sore thumb. And if I didn't grind any of this down at all, then the surface would have looked like this. So definitely glad that I grinded it down. I'm hoping that, again, the Raptor liner is going to fix every impurity, but it looks pretty good so far. I'm pretty happy with the way it's turning out. So the next thing, oh, I also did some of the reflecting trims. So the next thing I'm going to do is actually get ready to either mess with the wheels but I did order new spacers, so I need to get those on. Afterwards, I'm gonna get the tires installed. I got new tires along with new TRD wheels, so those are on the way, coming soon. But as far as the body is concerned, Raptor liner is the next thing that I'm going to do. So I'm just gonna let this coat completely cure, and then I'm gonna wait a few days, and then I'm gonna hit it with the Raptor liner.